My name is Victor Ejike. I'm a third-year nursing student at the Collaborative Nursing Program of Sax Polytech and the University of Regina. And after I graduate, I plan to work in the mother-baby unit. The Sax Polytech Simulation Center provides technical skills and also be able to practice those stressful situations which you could see in real life. The great thing about the program is that we are provided mannequins, which we use for our learning. They provide the natural feeling that you get when you're caring for a baby. But unfortunately, these mannequins don't grow up. They wear out. And it's important that students are able to learn with up-to-date equipment. And that's why I'm asking you to donate to support the Sax Polytech, so that when they are put in those stressful clinical situations and when they are providing care to real babies, they will be able to provide the same quality of care.